Want to turn your normal car into a smart machine? Here are 16 insane car gadgets from AliExpress that you didn't know you needed. Let's check them out. Safety comes first. This 2K mini dash cam records everything in crystal clear quality, even at night. It has voice control, so you can command it hands-free. Plus, with the Wi-Fi app, you can download footage instantly to your phone. A tiny guardian for your car. Stop struggling with messy cables. This Baseus phone holder automatically clamps your phone and charges it wirelessly at 15 watt speed. It's rock solid, makes zero noise, and works with iPhone, Samsung, or Xiaomi. Just drop your phone and drive. Feel like a fighter pilot with this head-up display. It projects your speed and GPS data right onto the windshield. No glare, auto brightness, and it keeps your eyes on the road. Works on any car with a USB port. Driving just got futuristic. Flat tire in the middle of nowhere? No problem. This Baseus wireless air pump is a lifesaver. It's cordless, powerful, and stops automatically when full. Perfect for cars, bikes, or even footballs. Keep it in your trunk and never worry about air pressure again. Charge everyone's device at once. This 4-in-1 car charger pumps out a massive 120 watts. The best part? The cables are retractable, so say goodbye to tangles. Whether you have an iPhone or Type-C, this keeps your car organized and fully charged. Old car stereo? Upgrade it instantly. This Bluetooth 5.4 adapter plugs into your aux port, giving you high-quality music and crystal-clear calls with dual microphones. It filters out road noise and connects instantly. Modern tech for any classic ride. Can't see your side mirrors in the rain? This cheap gadget is a lifesaver. It's a waterproof nanofilm that repels water instantly, fog-proof, anti-glare, and keeps your vision clear during heavy rain. A small sticker for massive safety. Want to communicate with other drivers? This flexible LED matrix panel sticks to your rear window. Use the app to display text, emojis, or custom animations. It's bright, waterproof, and makes your car stand out from the crowd. Super fun. Don't wait for a blowout. This tire pressure monitoring system runs on solar power and warns you if your tires are low on air or overheating. It connects wirelessly to 4 sensors and shows real-time data. Install it once and stay safe forever. Ditch those dim yellow halogen lights. These Oxito LED bulbs are super bright white and give your car a premium look. They are error-free, easy to install, and perfect for reading lights, dome lights, or license plates. An instant glow-up. Dust in your AC vents is annoying. This cleaning gel is the ultimate solution. Just press it into keyboards, vents, or cup holders and pull it out. The dust sticks to the gel. It's reusable and reaches spots your cloth can't. Oddly satisfying. Is your car an oven in the summer? This Baseus sunshade works like an umbrella. Pop it open to block 99% of UV rays and keep your interior cool. It protects your dashboard from cracking and folds away neatly when you drive. Protect your paint without ruining the look. These transparent TPU guards have airbag buffers to absorb shock if you hit a wall or another car. They are invisible, weather-resistant, and keep your door edges brand new. Simple but effective. Give your car a cyberpunk vibe with these flexible neon light strips. They plug directly into a USB port and glow softly without heat. You can fit them into the gaps of your dashboard or doors. Cheap, easy to install, and looks amazing at night. Installed a new screen but lost your steering buttons? This wireless remote straps right onto your wheel. Control volume, change songs, or pick up calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Universal and works with most Android players.
For the DIY mechanics, this is a dream tool. The Testlong borescope has a camera that turns 360 degrees. Inspect inside your engine, cylinders, or pipes on its 4.5-inch screen. See hidden problems clearly without taking everything apart. Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tech finds.